There's a 24th question from Digital SAT Test 2, Module 2, Easier Set Reading and Writing question. Number 24 reads, which choice leads text with logical transition? You want to determine whether what comes before and after the blank shows similarity or difference. Read the passage, Etched and Peru's Nazca desert line drawing so large it can only be fully seen from high above. Archaeologists have known the lines since the 1920s when researchers spotted some nearby foothill. They have been studying markings ever since. Blank, archaeologists' efforts are aided by drones that capture high-resolution aerial photographs of the lines. So we need some transition that shows, hey, in the 1920s they didn't have drones. Currently is your correct answer. To see why the wrong answer is wrong, check us out on YouTube by Ministers Learning Center, the playlist. The video is just above this. Have a great day.